10-year-old Maya wasn't your typical kid. While others chased after soccer balls, Maya chased after mysteries, specifically, magical mysteries. She devoured books on illusions, practiced sleights of hand in secret, and dreamt of becoming a world-famous magician. One rainy afternoon, stuck indoors, Maya's boredom transformed into an opportunity. Armed with a deck of cards and a can-do spirit, she decided to put on a magic show for her little brother, Ethan. Ethan, a ball of boundless energy, was her toughest audience, but Maya was determined. She shuffled the cards with a flourish, a trick she'd mastered from a library book, and announced, "Ethan, pick a card, any card." Ethan, wide-eyed, chose a card and hid it behind his back. Maya closed her eyes, muttered some mumbo-jumbo words she made up that sounded impressive, and then, with a dramatic snap of her fingers, revealed the card hidden behind Ethan's ear. Ethan's jaw dropped. "How do you do that?" Maya, beaming, explained it was a simple trick with a secret code, a code based on how many times she snapped her fingers. It wasn't real magic, but to Ethan, it might as well have been. Emboldened, Maya performed a disappearing coin trick using a borrowed napkin and a little sleight of hand. Ethan squealed with delight as the coin vanished into thin air, then reappeared behind his own hand. The afternoon flew by in a flurry of folded bills that mysteriously stood on end, rubber bands that made pencils dance, and a classic disappearing act with a borrowed sock stuffed with a tennis ball, of course. By the end, Ethan was begging for more. Maya, breathless but proud, realized something. Magic wasn't just about complex tricks in hidden compartments. It was about the performance, the misdirection, the spark of wonder in someone's eyes. As Maya put away her props, a new kind of magic bloomed inside her. It wasn't the magic of spells and illusions, but the magic of making someone smile, of igniting a sense of wonder with ordinary things. And that, Maya knew, was the greatest trick of all.